Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video, the Playwright series. Last video we saw about download. Here we are going to see about how to upload a file. Okay, let me create a new class now. File upload. I'll enter file upload. Okay, now I'll create a main method here. Then I'll create the instance of the Playwright. I'll initialize the Playwright tool here. Next one is I'll right. I'll make sure I'm just going to launch the Chrome browser, Chromium with a Chrome browser. Okay. With the browser type, launch options, then set headless false and set channel Chrome. This were all we saw in the last previous videos. Go through the basic videos for the better understanding. Okay. So now let's use launch dot new page. I'm going to start a new page. I'm going to navigate to the new page in the Chrome browser. Then new page dot navigate. I'm going to launch the URL. So I spoke fastly because we already saw these methods in the previous videos. Okay. Now I'm going to the file upload site. Right. I need to go and upload a file here. Okay. Now let me copy the URL and paste it. Now I need to click semicolon. Now I need to upload the file here in the site. Okay, in this box here. Okay, I need to click it and then I need to upload any file here. Okay, so this is the functionality which you are going to automate now. Okay, now it's been uploaded. Same thing you have to do. Okay, now let's go and copy the site and I paste in the okay. Now let me go to the code new page dot okay. Here I'm going to use one method wait for file chooser. Okay, so here there we in download we use wait for a download. We waited until it's download. Here we are waiting until the file to be selected or chosen. Okay, then I'm again using the lambda function here with the arrow mark. Okay, here we are just waiting until the file is selected or chosen. Okay, now I'm going to save new page dot locator and locator of the file where we are going to upload here. I need to take an XPath here. Then dot click. Then I just save a reference here where the file needs to be selected. Okay, file. Okay, now I'll use the file reference here for saving the file. Okay, for setting the path of the file. Okay, file set file, the path where the file is stored that needs to be uploaded. Okay, set file path get and the path of the file name sample file dot png. I'm just telling choose this file sample dot png and upload it. Okay, okay, file set file method path dot get sample file dot jpg that you upload it. That is what I am telling here. Let me run the code now. You can see, right, sample file dot jpeg has been uploaded here. Okay, so this is how we need to upload the file with the help of the Playwright automation. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Hope you are all having a nice learning. Keep continue following our channel. Okay, and hope you all have a great day. Bye, meet you soon in the next video.